here's a great unboxing of a Rhino USA 2-inch anti-theft lock set that I'm going to use for my pop-up A-frame trailer. So I'm going to be moving it out of storage and leaving it outside and putting a outdoor cover on it. Well, here we go. Comes with some stickers. Directions. Two sets of keys, that's nice. And so here's for the latch. Screws out, screws back in. So you have two forms of locking. And here's the main one. It's kind of heavy. Oh. So this goes up into the tongue ball. So if I'm in the back of the trailer and it's the front of the nose of it, you slide it on. I'll show you with the key. This here goes up and down. Hard to do with one hand. Popped up. It goes up and down. So you slide it on your tongue, get as high up into that ball as you can, ball socket, and then turn it again, and it'll stay in that position. So this one has two forms, two locks inside of it. There, I'll lock back up. I'll be putting it on my camper here soon. So once I get the cover, like I said, it's got 4 keys. Let's see what this is. Has any information? There's their information. Winch couplers. Not much information on here. There's the serial number. Pretty good gig if they have to have 2 ways of cutting it off to get it. So there you go. See how that works out for me. Show you what it looks like once I put it on my trailer. Thanks for watching. Alright, today's the day we're going to try out the Rhino USA 2-inch anti-theft lock set. There's a coupler and a tongue. So I'll do that right now. Open this up. Try it out. Sticker, that. This out. Keys. Tongue out. This out here. Now, let's see if it even fits. So, slides on from underneath. Look at that. Doesn't even fit. So this is going back. Alright, we'll have to try it again some other time. Something bigger. Oh well, that's a bummer. Alright, so we're going for round 2 of this Rhino lock set. I got 2 5/16 for my pop-up trailer. The tongue was too wide even though it was a 2-inch ball. So see if this coupler lock works better. Exact same thing. Size in the comments below. But it came with 4 keys, unlock. Oh, it's hard to get out. Got to fight. Anyways, pull it up a second. So here it is. Same thing, just bigger. Key lock. Tongue lock. Well, this one works with the key and it screws out, backs it off so you can turn it, put the pin through. But we'll go check it out. I'm at my storage unit. It's dark out, winter, Minnesota. Happens early. So I'll go slap it on, see how it works. All right, so here we go. Pins up. Fits. Sweet. So then you just go underneath and push this up. Take the key out. Put that on. That's it. And that's on. Then you just put the key in again. Turn it. Pin drops. There's the pin. So just stick that on there, take your key out. That's it. That's how easy it is. Sweet. Now I'm gonna try the other thing on. I need 2 hands for this one. So this one just goes right here. Let's see if make sure it's wide enough. So that one worked out just fine. So this is a go. It's not a 2 5/16 tongue, but it's extra wide. And then that's how you do it. I'd say this is a pretty sweet deal. I think it's like $50 I put it in the notes. I'll put out like this, what that is. I think I can find out from this. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Maybe moving this out of here, putting it up at my cabin outside with the cover over it. I'm gonna make a video of that next. Thanks for watching.